Hey everybody, this is Mr. McKee with Net 226. Today I'm going to just go over a basic introduction to the course, let you guys see what it looks like in Network Academy, and show you some of the course content. All right, so maybe some of your other courses, you might have your assignments listed in here. I don't have those listed other than your exams because we have you guys submit them through Moodle since that's a requirement of my school. If you go to modules, you'll click right here to open your course content up. There's some little um, resources up there you might want to use. Uh, Same thing as Net 225. You have 5 exams throughout the course under module group exams. You have a bunch of skills exams. Now some of these, like part 1, part 2, these were done in the switching, routing, and wireless essentials course that you guys just completed, or actually you might be doing your final right now. All right, but you'll be starting this next week. Those right there. There's the new course skills assessment practice, and then you'll have the hands-on final exam. All right, and the same thing, course feedback, practice final right there. And it gives you a note: the practice final exam does not qualify students for a letter of merit, a digital badge, or exam discounts, which are dependent on the final exam. All right, so I'm gonna try to prep you guys pretty good for the final exam, but you have to get a 70% on that final exam in the first attempt to get your discounted voucher. If you look down here, you can click down here and it shows you what you need to do. All right. And I'm assuming it says a discounted voucher for the certification exam is available after you've completed the full CCNA series of courses. I'm not really sure how that's going to work. You'll have completed the 4th course in your CCNA course set, but since the new course set's only 3 courses, you'll have completed the first 2 courses in the old system and the last 2 courses in the new system. So hopefully that ends up right. But either way, we'll get it figured out. But if you score a 70% or higher on the first attempt of the final exam in the last course, ENSA, and have it passed in the gradebook, you're eligible for a discount voucher from Cisco for your CCNA. And you can click some stuff there. And there's some, I would definitely study some other little things, additional study materials for certification prep. You don't want to take your certification exam more than you have to, trust me. I might or might not have had to do that myself before. It's not fun, all right? But anyways, you can look through that stuff. We'll go to that more as the course progresses. All right, so like I said before, let me get back to this. You'll click this, or you'll open up your course content. Here's the course content. Pretty much looks exactly like it did last class. There's 14 modules in this course. There's 29, I believe. Let's see. Yep, 29 packet tracers, some labs, and really, I can tell the course content has changed a lot because you'll be doing like labs on like setting up a Linux, Ubuntu virtual machine for one of the labs. A lot of this stuff is like different than Cisco's been in the past. So we'll do all that stuff. Also, another class is setting up a server rack for me, or I would say a server switch and router rack. So I would we have one lab that is setting up a TFTP server to upgrade Cisco iOS images. I'll set that up and show you guys that on an actual router. Or I've got a switch I just configured too. I can show you guys how to do that. Because basically nowadays you can just do it on your desktop, like right there, TFTP 64 app. I can just download the images from Cisco's website and then upload my whatever device I need to. It's pretty easy. All right, but like for the first lab this week, there's no packet tracer for module 1. Module 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packet tracers. So most weeks you'll have an average of like maybe, I would say an average of maybe 4 assignments, not including tests and things like that. But packet tracers and labs, But since they don't, this is the first time we're doing this class, I don't know how long the actual time is going to take to do all the packet tracers, so I'm going to try to do them. Um, like the first week will be module 1 and 2, so you might have a lot of packet tracers that week, and the next week there might not be as many because there's not a certain number of packet tracers, and it's not even per week, so it's going to be a little bit off. So the first time I teach the class, there might be a lot of work one week, not a lot of work the next week, but I'll let you guys know because I'm doing all the assignments a week ahead, just to verify everything works correctly. So you guys will be able to, I'll try to cross-load the work as much as possible. But just like I did on the previous course, I told you guys, hey, next week it's going to be a light week. Go ahead and start working on your following week's assignments just to keep up. All right, but it shouldn't be too bad. You guys are maybe going to get a little bit more help on this class than normal, just because I don't want to give you guys assignments that I've never gone through. Because since we've already just upgraded to version 7, this will be the first time I go through a lot of these labs. I mean, a lot of the information is exactly the same, but some of the stuff is new, like the wireless, security, stuff like that. Because it doesn't look like you go through OSPF a couple times, and then you go on to like security, more wireless stuff, setting up NAT, setting up PAT, CDP, LLDP, network time protocol, and then troubleshooting, things like that. So it's definitely different. But it shouldn't be too bad. You'll definitely learn a lot. If you do all the packet tracers and all the assignments, you'll definitely learn something. I can almost guarantee that. All right. But anyways, that's the intro to the course. Like I said, I'm going to try to do all the assignments a week ahead, so you guys hopefully will have videos so you can review your entries. I know everybody didn't use the videos, but I think that was very handy for the people that did. I think I've got like maybe close to probably 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so that's good. I'm not trying to get like a whole bunch of subscribers, but I'm trying to help out as many people as I can. So the more the better. But I appreciate everybody that's subscribed. I got like 489 right now. I'm going to have a playlist like right now. I had the playlist for the SRWE course. I'll have a new playlist for this course. All right, as soon as I start uploading videos. And my Certified Ethical Hacker class and my National Cyber League assignments we're doing that are related to that. As soon as I get verification that I can actually upload those, there's some like security concerns about that. I'll upload those two in another playlist, but I'm just putting those in Moodle for right now. But I've already got the videos all made for those, because they're all these there's 20 certified ethical hacker labs I've done, and then a couple what is it called? The CYSA Plus is a bunch of other good labs I'm using on the NetLab system. All right, but anyways, if that pertains to you, that's great. I'll let you know more about that, but if it doesn't, don't worry about it. But I will start making some videos and trying some stuff out, and hopefully learning some new good stuff dealing with Cisco. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my first video, how-to video for Net 226 momentarily. Thanks.